Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick yoga practice. All you need is a mat, your body of course, and a yoga block for the end of our class. We're going to start just by checking in with our body, seeing how we feel here. Legs in crisscross applesauce, palms will face the ceiling, and let's just take a few moments to breathe. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Inhale, exhale, maybe dropping your ear to the shoulder, stretching the side of your neck, switching sides. Chin to chest, and we're going to round the head right and left, left and right. Our hips are grounded and rooted into our mat. Let's go ahead and inhale and roll our shoulders up and back for 3, 2, 1. And reversing forward. Inhale as we reverse. Inhale to sweep the arms up, really reach, reach, reach. Grab one wrist and take a side bend, opening up here in your side body. Exhaling. Inhale to reach and switching sides. Inhale to reach. Reach, reach, reach. Fingertips to the sky. And then we're going to exhale, take a twist. Each time you exhale, we deepen that twist. Inhale to reach back center. Exhale, other side. So we're taking opposite hand to the opposite knee. Exhale, release your twist. Inhale, reach. And let's rotate our wrist as we bring our arms all the way down. Interlock your hands behind you. So sorry, Rhett is kind of in the way, but we just want to interlock our wrists here and enjoy a nice chest opener. Exhale to release. Inhale. You're going to exhale, take a side bend. One hand will be on the ground, the other will reach, opening up that side body again. Inhale and exhale, doing that again on the other side. Coming back to center, let's take another twist. Exhale, releasing. Now let's get ready to come into a little bit of a boat pose. If this pose does not work for you, go ahead and keep the feet on the mat and just get into the rocking motions forward and back. So again, you can stay here or you can extend the legs, toes pointed, coming back, boat, using our strong core to keep us stable here. And let's fold over. Bound angle, folding forward. If it's right for you, if it's not, you can just stay with your torso upright. Exhaling into your inner thighs, your bottom feet, the bottoms of your feet are connected. Deep breaths here, inhaling and exhale. Allowing your heart to melt forward, creating space in between those shoulder blades. And let's round it up. And we're going to move into a seated forward fold. So legs are out nice and straight. Inhale to reach the arms, and you're going to fold forward. You're going to fall where it works for you. So if you are experiencing tightness in your hamstrings, obviously you will not be able to fold all the way forward. Make sure you pick what's right for you. I just want you to take advantage of the stretch. Inhale. And exhale, fold it forward. And let's round it back up, and we're going to make our way to the mat, extending our legs to the sky, pointing and flexing, taking care of those ankle joints. We're going to move into some rotations. We're going to create circles as well. Please feel free to hold any stretch that feels really good to you. Go ahead and roll the ankles inward, and then of course we're going to switch the direction. Planting our feet on the mat nice and firm. Weight is in our heels. We're going to come up to bridge. So slowly peeling your bottom up, pressing into your heels. Exhale to release. Inhale, peel it up. So you're involving everything from the low body to your core. That low back. Exhale to release. Please also do not forget to concentrate your energy, focusing those knees in. So don't let them splay out. So you're pressing into your heels, and then you're concentrating the energy inward. A good way to make sure you're doing this correctly is to use a yoga block. If it's there, if you've done it before, you can roll your shoulders under and press up a little more into your bridge. Release the shoulders, release the back, then the glutes, and then we're going to bring our knees in a little bit to rock right and left, releasing any tension we may have built up in that low back. Recline bound angle here. And I would love for you to put your left hand on your womb space or your low belly if you are a male, and then your right hand on your heart center. And we're just going to practice breathing here. Expanding your belly, fully releasing. Inhale deeply, expand your belly. Notice the air as it travels in your lungs and as it travels out. Notice the expansion of your belly. Inhale, exhale. Maybe you notice your heart is beating a little faster. That's okay. We'll slowly come out of that recline bound angle by bringing the knees closer together and taking the knees right and left. Enjoying the stretch for that side body. This one always feels really good. Now let's get ready to move into one of my favorite stretches for the lower body. Especially if you work from home, if you're sitting down a lot, this is going to be something that'll be really beneficial for you. So extending the left leg, crossing that right ankle onto your left middle thigh, you're going to thread the needle and interlock your hands behind the left thigh. You're going to pull those legs in. Use your right elbow to press into your right thigh to intensify or deepen the stretch. Use your breath. Then we're going to switch sides. Of course, feel free to stay on one side longer, doing the same thing, only we are interlocking behind the right thigh. Make sure the ankle's on the thigh and not your knee joint. Pulling it in, pressing that left elbow into the left inner thigh. And I'm really enjoying this one. So here's where we will utilize the block if it's comfortable for you. If you do not have a block or if it doesn't feel right, You can just lie on the ground, bound angle like so, palms, recline bound angle, palms to the sky. You can also enjoy this shavasana in, with just laying down on the mat. But me, I love a good chest opener as I am in recline bound angle. So this block is in the middle of my back, really the upper back. And here is where we're going to end it. Feel free to stay here. We still have about 2 minutes. Use your breath. Follow that inhale and exhale. Enjoy the next minute of peace.